In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery condition on your iPhone. This is useful if you want to know how healthy your iPhone battery is, especially if your phone is draining faster than usual or not lasting as long as it used to. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. From here, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Now, you'll see a section called Maximum Capacity. This number shows the current condition of your battery compared to when it was new. For example, if it says 100%, that means your battery is still at full capacity. But if the percentage is lower, it means your battery can hold less charge than it could when it was brand new. You may also see a section called Peak Performance Capability. This tells you if your iPhone battery is still able to support normal performance. If your battery health is very low, your iPhone may recommend that you replace the battery to improve performance and battery life. You can also check charging options on this page, such as optimized battery charging, which helps reduce battery aging by learning your charging routine. And that's how you check the battery condition on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand your iPhone battery health and know when it might be time to replace it.